at master plan level actually in इस neighborhood local level की problem को address कर सकता है कि नहीं कर सकता है, और क्या उसके लिए हमें लोकल लेवल पे लोकल एरिया प्लान्स और ऐसी गाइडलाइंस बनाने चाहिए जो हीट को और स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स को कैटर करें। एंड सेकेंड इशू ये है कि ऑलरेडी हीट एक्शन प्लान ही मास्टर प्लान के साथ करंटली इंटीग्रेटेड नहीं है, देन स्ट्रीट वेंडिंग एक्ट्स और पॉलिसीज भी मास्टर प्लान के साथ इंटीग्रेटेड नहीं है। तो हम उसके लिए एम तो करते हैं, बट क्योंकि इसमें एक स्केल का इशू है, तो उस स्केल के इशू को कैसे एड्रेस किया जा सकता है।
Thank you. Can you pass the mic to?
Yeah, so my name is Nagaraj. I am a member of informal group Teachers Against the Climate Crisis. So partly my comment also was जो भी जो scale की बात हुई, and maybe it's addressed to anybody here in the present panel or the previous panel who are part of government bodies. I think somewhere the issue needs I think scale, और partly because क्या होता है कि the response अक्सर जो मैं देखता हूँ या तो from the state or from civil society organizations, from all of us included, I think is very much located in the present. In a sense, we are behind the curve. And we are behind the curve because it's an accelerating problem. It has accelerated in the last, I'm talking about warming and also moisture. In the last maybe 5 years, 10 years or so, the rate of warming has accelerated. That to me, I have been following this now for roughly 20 years. It questions a lot of the assumptions that we had made, getting into the issue 20 years ago, and therefore, what kind of planning is required. So in that sense, one I think yes, definitely scale. जैसे first session में cool roofs की बात हुई. Yes, one can implement cool roofs at a local level and so on. But if you want it to be really effective at a city level, it needs scale. Then what is a city government or a state government doing to enable that kind of implementation? Say it requires subsidies so that लोग जो झुग्गी झोपड़ी में रहते हैं, they will actually be able to apply cool roofs of not just cool roofs, but also good quality paint which will then last for a certain number of years. It requires certain kind of, only a state subsidy can effectively kind of provide. एक तो ये दूसरा regarding scale, जो हाल में recently I think only राजस्थान में एक urban NREG है जहाँ तक मैं जानता हूँ, और वहाँ पे भी पता नहीं ढंग से implement हो, जहाँ तक मैं सुना और it's not well adequately implemented. I would think that that also is, in a sense, I'm saying that we are going beyond the specifics perhaps of what we discussed, which is that in talking of scale, perhaps we need such an urban NREGA in Delhi, in other places, across states, in different towns, ताकि the solutions that can be implemented can address both climate change through better housing, through an energy, address issues of flooding, and thereby also address the other crisis, which is the jobs crisis. And thereby it means each of informal workers की heat की बात हो रही है, such an important reports come out today. You know, it's also not just कि daytime में क्या महसूस करते हैं, also कि रात को क्या महसूस करते हैं, because lot of the रात में also the temperatures have been going up, and therefore there is no period for the body to have any downtime because heat is, and therefore it involves कि हम लोग interventions workplace में भी करें, but also जहाँ रहते हैं, and hence therefore requires I think interventions.
You're talking about a multi-like, even everything has to be looked at from a larger scale rather than just a very
larger scale. Also perhaps thinking ahead and thinking maybe a little out of the box. Maybe we need, for instance, talking of shade. Maybe the state at scale can implement solar panels to provide shade. When we talk about agrovoltaics, we can think of agrovoltaics in urban areas. Provide solar panels across streets and therefore where vendors can then work below. So I'm saying we need to, in a sense, think at scale and perhaps think out of the box.
Anybody else? One more, please.
हेलो, हाँ जी मैं सबको नमस्कार। मैं होटल ग्राउंड एक्शन कमेटी दिल्ली प्रदेश अध्यक्ष हूँ, टाउन ब्रांडिंग कमेटी का मेंबर। मैं जैसे अभी सभी ने बताया कि ये प्लांट जो चल रहा है बनाने का, और जैसे गर्मी के बारे में आप बता रहे हैं कि ये कैसे गर्मी खत्म हो,